Ready to stop wasting cash every time you hit the supermarket? We all want to save money, and the grocery store is one of the easiest places to let those hard-earned dollars slip through your fingers. It's time to take control of your spending and make smarter choices. Here are the 7 sneaky ways your money slips away, often without you even realizing it. We're going to break down these common pitfalls and give you actionable strategies to keep more money in your pocket. Number 1, shopping without a list or meal plan. It's like going into battle without a map. That random bag of kale, probably wilting in your fridge right next to that half-eaten container of yogurt you swore you'd finish. Instead, plan your meals for the week. Take some time, maybe on a Sunday afternoon, to map out what you're going to eat. Shop your pantry first, see what ingredients you already have on hand. You might be surprised at what culinary creations you can whip up with what you already own. And always bring a list. Stick to it. Don't let those impulse buys derail your budget. Number 2, falling for buy one get one free deals. They seem so tempting, don't they? Sounds great, until both tubs of hummus expire in your fridge, mocking your good intentions. Only grab the deal if you truly need both, and if you're confident you can consume them before they spoil. Otherwise, you're just throwing money away. Number 3, ignoring unit pricing. This is a crucial skill for any savvy shopper. That giant box of cereal isn't always the best bang for your buck. Marketing can be deceiving. Check the price per ounce or gram to spot the real savings. You might be surprised to find that the smaller package is actually cheaper per unit. Number 4, shopping hungry. A classic mistake. Suddenly everything looks delicious and ends up in your cart. Those cookies, the chips, you didn't need them, but your stomach convinced you otherwise. Eat before you shop or bring a snack like an apple or a handful of nuts, and your wallet will thank you. You'll be able to make rational decisions, not hunger-driven ones. Number 5, overbuying fresh produce. We've all been there, lured in by the vibrant colors and promises of healthy eating. We toss 20 to 30% of fruits and veggies. That's like throwing money directly into the trash can. Buy in smaller amounts? Freeze extras before they go bad, or meal prep in advance to ensure you use everything you buy. Number 6, skipping store brands. Don't underestimate the power of generic. Name brands can cost 25 to 40% more, sometimes even higher depending on the product, but the quality is often the same. In many cases, they're made in the same factories. Try store brand basics. You may not even taste the difference in things like sugar, flour, or canned goods. Number 7, buying in bulk without a plan. Warehouse clubs can be tempting, but proceed with caution. Unless you're actually eating rice for every meal, skip that 10-pound bag. It'll just sit in your pantry, taking up space and eventually going stale. Only buy bulk if you've got a plan and storage, and if you're sure you'll use it all before it expires. Bonus tips, because saving money is always a good idea. Use cashback apps and loyalty points to earn rewards on your purchases. Every little bit helps. Scan your receipt for price errors. Mistakes happen, and you don't want to overpay. And freeze leftovers to cut waste. It's like giving yourself a free meal for later. Hit like, share, and follow for more ways to save. Let's all become smarter, more savvy shoppers together.